Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Dacia Sandero Ambiance. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 4 and road tax is £180 a year, so really low running costs. The car has a very low mileage of just over 7,000 miles and has been serviced 5 times during that period. This particular colour is called Glacier White and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we look inside, for a small car you've got a good amount of interior space, nice hard wearing fabric on the seats there. On the dashboard you've got your DAB radio as well as Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning, and on the driver's door card there you've got your 2 front window controls. As we open the rear doors, good access there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, lots of headroom and legroom. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers have a cup holder there in the centre, and I see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats as well, so that's good to see. As we open the tailgate, to reveal a really good sized boot there. Nice and square with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, if I can get to it, you have a bit of extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the daytime running lights, the 15-inch wheels, and also the previous owner kindly left their roof bars on the car as well. These can be easily removed. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.